I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up notifications on the Ally app can help you stay updated on your finances. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Ally app. Launch the Ally app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you're re-logged in, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select notifications. In the settings menu, find and select the notifications option. This is where you can customize what alerts you want to receive. Step 4. Customize your alerts. You'll see various notification types, such as transaction alerts, balance updates, and promotional offers. Toggle on the ones you want to receive. Step 5. Save your changes. After customizing your notifications, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you forget this step, your preferences won't be applied. Now you're all set to receive notifications from the Ally app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy banking!